Hello and good afternoon. We are here with everything that you need to know right before the stock market rings the bell. Lululemon Athletica Inc. shares fell 13% on Friday, the most since March 2020, after lower than expected profitability raised concerns about a pileup of inventory, and the yoga wear maker's full-year sales forecast disappointed Wall Street. Gross margin, a key gauge of profitability, was 55.9% in the third quarter, while inventories surged from a year earlier. Elsewhere, while Lululemon raised its sales forecast for the full year ending in January as much as $7.99 billion, the figures were still below analyst average estimates of $7.94 billion. Executives said the company is looking to double sales by fiscal year ending in early 2027 by opening more stores, expanding abroad, and selling more products to men. It's also trying a new two-tier membership program to keep customers returning. Last week, the Biden administration moved to block Microsoft's $69 billion bid to buy Call of Duty maker Activision Blizzard, throwing a stumbling block in front of the tech giant's plans to expand its portfolio and catch up to rivals Tencent and Sony. Microsoft, the owner of the Xbox console, said in January 2022 that it would buy Activision for $68.7 billion in the biggest gaming industry deal in history. However, in its complaint, the US Federal Trade Commission, which enforced antitrust law, said that Microsoft had a record of hoarding valuable gaming content. The agency set a hearing before an administrative law judge for August 2023. While the deal also faced regulatory headwinds in Europe, Activision executives said they are confident that the deal will go through. Toyota Motor Corp is expected to outline adjustments to its electric vehicle strategy to key suppliers early next year through 2026, as it races to narrow the gap in price and performance with industry leaders Tesla and BYD. The Japanese automakers have been looking at ways to improve the competitiveness of EVs, in part by speeding up the adoption of performance-boosting technologies. The changes, however, might include delays to some of the EV development programs originally planned for the 3 years period. The changes would be to successors to Toyota's first two EVs for major markets, the BZ4X and the Lexus RX. The revamp comes even as Toyota holds the view that gasoline hybrid with electric will remain a crucial part of the transition to carbon-neutral transport. This is it. That's all we have for you today. Soon Wall Street bells will ring and a new trading week will start. We are MEXEM TV and we will be here next Monday, same time, same place. Goodbye.